Hi, this is Bart, N0NYY, a proud member of the Northern Colorado Amateur Radio Club. Today we're demonstrating the keypad programming video on the Tidradio H3. The blue menu key is the button that gives you access to all the menus.
Channel mode, frequency mode.
Okay, we're in frequency mode. When we push the blue button, we get access to the menus. Below the blue menu button are the up and down arrows. You will use these to change each menu setting.
Menu.
Bandwidth, going up 1, 2, 3 through the numbers. When you first press the blue menu button, it brings up the menu. You can type the number of any menu function. 23, for example, is the shift direction, or you can use the up and down arrows to find them and scroll through the menu items. The next press of the menu button allows you to set the item that you have selected. So right now, if I use the up and down arrows, I can go minus, none, and plus. For the repeater we're going to use, we'll want a minus offset. So I will select that, confirm, it goes back to the menu selection. Item 13 is a CTCSS tone. We're going to want 100 Hertz there. Item 24 is the offset of 5 megahertz. That is correct for this. And then we're going to go to item 25 is the memory write. So I hit the blue button. Channel 1 is where I want this. So that will be correct. And now I will put in, my mistake, I will put in the frequency. First we get out of the menu function.
4, 4, 7, 2, 7, 5. Menu.
25 is memory write, so to write that into channel 1, I hit menu again, it goes down here, I hit menu again, it says confirm, I exit, go to memory mode, channel 1 is now that repeater. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can find my email on qrz.com or on the owners page on NCARC's website. This is Bart, N0NYY. Thank you very much for watching.